Many people believe the McLaren P1 to be the best out of the hypercar trinity. It was designed, engineered, and built to be the best driver's car in the world with a rigorous development program. The P1 covered in excess of 385,250 miles of testing, equivalent to more than 15 times around the world. It uses a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 that produces 727 horsepower in conjunction with a 177-horsepower electric motor, combining to a total of 903 HP. With a top speed of 217 miles per hour and extreme exclusivity of 375 units, is it the best out of the hypercar trinity? Let us know in the comments down below.